Mastering your money starts with understanding the 4 pillars of financial success. The first pillar is earn. Without income, nothing else matters. Focus on growing your earning potential through skills, side hustles, or higher-paying opportunities. Treat earning as the foundation of your financial journey, because even the best budget, investments, and protection can't work without money coming in. Remember, earning isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter and creating multiple streams of income to build stability and opportunity. The second pillar is save. Spend less than you earn and build a safety net for emergencies. Saving provides security, peace of mind, and the freedom to make decisions without fear. Once you have savings, the third pillar comes into play: invest. Investing allows your money to grow faster than saving alone. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other assets, smart investing compounds wealth over time. Think of your money as a seed. Saving protects it. Investing helps it grow. Together, these pillars ensure your financial base is strong and prepared for growth. The fourth and final pillar is protect. Shield your wealth with insurance, emergency planning, and smart risk management. Protecting what you've built ensures that your financial freedom lasts and that unforeseen events don't set you back. When you combine earning, saving, investing, and protecting, you create a strong financial foundation. Master these 4 pillars, and you gain control over your money, your choices, and your future. Start today, and over time, these pillars will grow into lasting wealth and true financial independence.